thanks to be a part of this meeting. Now, India, like several parts of the world, it has been experiencing a surge of COVID-19, that is coronavirus 2019 cases and deaths also. As of December 2021 data, India is the second largest population which is affected by COVID-19. Now, among these global concerns over the COVID-19, the WHO or the World Health Organization has also declared the Omicron as the new variant of the virus that causes COVID-19, and it is a variant of concern. The emerging evidence on this issue is being monitored by the Union Ministry of Health of India. Now, states have also been advised for rigorous surveillance of international passengers, enhanced testing, monitoring the hotspots of COVID-19, and ensuring augmentation of health infrastructure, including the undertaking samples for whole genome sequencing. Now, the Health Ministry has provided the emergency authorization for Zydus Cadilla's COVID-19 vaccine for those who are aged 12 years and above based on good results in the phase 1 and phase 2 trials and the phase 3 data, which were concluded in over 28,000 volunteers, and now that is under the examination of the SEC or the Subject Expert Committee. Now, another COVID-19 vaccine of Bharat Biotech, that is also known as Covaxin, has received the recommendation of a Subject Expert Committee or SEC for use in children between the age of 2 years and 18 years. The final approval is still awaited from the Drug Controller General of India for the use of Covaxin in children.
India has second highest population in the world. Hence, we have seen higher number of cases in previous waves as compared to any other country. The regulatory environment in India is also very conducive. CDSCO has implemented expedited review and approval process for clinical trials on COVID-19. India also has a large pool of qualified, trained and experienced investigators and research capabilities. Patient population in India is usually very tolerant and compliant to proposed investigational treatment regimes. India also has a very diverse population which helps in generating robust data for drug approval in different subpopulations. Over and above all these advantages, the overall expenditure in conducting clinical trials in India is significantly lower as compared to Western world. So, total number of registered clinical trials on CTRI is more than 1400. The regulatory framework and requirements of CDSCO, which is the regulatory authority of India. This helps us in receiving favorable opinion from CDSCO office. In the current pandemic situation, CDSCO is conducting virtual SEC meetings where overseas sponsors can also join. SEC meetings are scheduled within 7 to 14 working days of application submission as part of CDSCO's commitment to expedite review of COVID-19 trials. Success of SEC meeting depends on the product development rationale, proposed mechanism of action, available in vitro and in vivo data suggesting therapeutic efficacy, scientific rationale of the study, robust study design, and compliance to CDSCO requirements. CBCC ensures participation of either a KOL or a potential investigator for a successful SEC meeting.
We have more than 75 sites pan-India for COVID-19 trials. Sites with high indices of COVID-19 patients and compliance are selected for faster patient recruitment. Investigators having previous experience, demonstrated track record of patient enrollment and quality compliance are selected. As COVID-19 cases are seen in waves and in different geographies, we at CBCC implement robust risk mitigation strategies to select the sites across various regions to have uninterrupted patient recruitment during the trial conduct. Access to strong site network with large pool of COVID-19 patients, competitive startup timelines, train and experienced team in handling COVID-19 trials, effective risk mitigation strategies to conduct the COVID-19 trials in timely manner, cost-effective solutions to perform the clinical trials, and large pool of GCP trained clinical research professionals.